Day after reporting results that missed analyst estimates, Deutsche Bank back in the spotlight. The bank will cut as much as 17% of staff in its equities unit and reduced fixed income headcount by as much as 6%. Well, joining us now is Bloomberg's Michael Moore from London. Michael, we're hearing these throughout the morning here. Was this a surprise?
Well, not a huge surprise, but the scale of it on the equity side, perhaps a bit of a surprise. We knew that Deutsche Bank was going to be cutting jobs. We'd reported that last month, but what you saw was a bigger than expected drop in equities trading in the fourth quarter, and them saying it hasn't come back so much in January, whereas on the debt side, things had kind of bounced back for them so far in the 2017.
Part of the story after earnings was that they're spending so much capital to raise their capital that it's coming at the expense of profitability. If they wind up cutting their talent, how do they increase their profitability?
That's the big thing that analysts are concerned about, is this balance between building up the capital and generating some actual revenue growth. The fear is that they're trying to cut their way to profitability, but at a certain point you need some growth. And if you're slashing, a fifth of your equities force, that's going to be tough. So, are they comfortable being a smaller bank if it means a little bit more profitability, or do they need to try to ride a wave of trading that some of the other banks have benefited from?
Michael, there was a cloud hanging over this bank for a long time, and it wasn't just about how much they needed to pay the authorities here in this country. It was about whether they would need to raise capital. That cloud, for a lot of people, hasn't gone away. What can they do to dismiss those fears? Because it's been weighing on the stock price for a long time.
Yeah, I think they went a long way toward that yesterday with they'd surprised on the capital number. Some of the analysts discounted some of that move, but certainly it's gotten a lot better. They're almost at 12% capital in the fourth quarter. So they've done what they can to address that, and certainly if they're going to continue to shrink the trading business, that helps. But I think it will be an open question until they have more of their legal issues done. They talked about 20 legal cases that they were really focused on, and they've only done 9 of the 20.